Welcome. Have a seat. I am happy to see you here again learning more about psychology. But if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Now let's start. Gene-environment interactions refer to the ways in which an individual's genetic makeup can influence their susceptibility to certain environmental exposures, as well as the ways in which environmental exposures can affect the expression of an individual's genes. These interactions can have significant impacts on an individual's health, development, and overall well-being. One key aspect of gene-environment interactions is the role of epigenetics, which refers to the changes in gene expression that are caused by environmental factors, rather than changes to the underlying DNA sequence. Epigenetic changes can be influenced by a variety of environmental exposures, including diet, stress, toxins, and social experiences. These changes can have lasting effects on an individual's health and well-being, and they can be passed down from one generation to the next through a process called transgenerational epigenetic inheritance. An example of gene-environment interaction is the relationship between genetics and nutrition. Some individuals may be more prone to certain nutrient deficiencies or imbalances due to their genetic makeup, which can increase their risk for certain health conditions. Conversely, certain nutrients may be able to modify the expression of certain genes, potentially reducing the risk of certain health conditions. Another example of gene-environment interaction is the relationship between genetics and stress. Some individuals may be more sensitive to stress due to their genetic makeup, which can increase their risk for stress-related health conditions such as anxiety and depression. On the other hand, certain coping strategies, such as exercise and social support, may be able to modify the expression of certain genes and reduce the negative effects of stress. Gene-environment interactions can also play a role in the development of complex diseases such as cancer. For example, an individual's genetic makeup may make them more susceptible to certain types of cancer, but the presence or absence of certain environmental exposures such as tobacco smoke can further increase or decrease their risk. Understanding gene-environment interactions are important for developing targeted prevention and treatment strategies for a wide range of health conditions. It can also help to inform public health policies and initiatives aimed at reducing the impact of environmental exposures on health. Overall, gene-environment interactions highlight the complex and dynamic nature of the relationship between genetics and the environment, and the importance of considering both factors in understanding and promoting health and well-being. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions for future content, please don't hesitate to comment and reach out.